So students, let us go to the new chapter, surface areas and volumes. You are already familiar with these two topics because in 9th class we are studying about surface areas and volumes. So what is the meaning of area and what is the meaning of volume and how these things are going to be defined in this particular chapter? There are plenty of versions we are going to study here. First of all, let us go to the topic surface area. Surface area means actually it is the measure of the total area that the surface of an object occupies. If you are keeping an object in a particular place, how much area is required for that object to be placed in that area? That is what we call the surface area. It can be generally classified into three types. The first one is the lateral surface area, which is also called in short form LSA. That means the area of lateral surfaces means the all of the sides excluding the top and bottom. If you are taking a cuboid, just leave the top and bottom. If you are taking the LSA of a room, leave the ceiling and the floor. The rest of all the walls, the area of all the four walls around you is what we call the lateral surfaces. Clear? ऊपर का और नीचे का वो दोनों जगह का एरिया जो है छोड़ दीजिएगा. उसके अलावा बाकी सभी चारों मोर उसका चारों मोर जो भी लैटरल सरफेसेस जो पड़ा है उसका पूरा एरिया को कुल मिला के हम कहता है लैटरल सरफेस एरिया. टोटल सरफेस एरिया का मतलब क्या होता है? अभी मैंने कहा था ऊपर का और नीचे का छोड़ दीजिए करके, लेकिन वो दोनों भी कुल मिला के होल एरिया इंक्लूडिंग द लैटरल सरफेसेस, इंक्लूडिंग द टॉप सरफेस, इंक्लूडिंग द बेस सरफेस, all the surfaces together. If you are standing inside a room, the ceiling, the floor and four of the walls all together, this area is what we call the total surface area. Curved surface area means in some particular cases some objects they may not be having a lateral surface. It may be in a circular shape. For example, a cylinder, उसका lateral surface नहीं होता है, उधर तो curved surface होता है. तो उसके लिए उसका ऊपर का नीचे का दोनों छोड़ के बाकी सभी areas चारों मोर का एरियाज मीन्स उसका कर्व्ड सरफेस का एरिया, दैट इज व्हाट वी कॉल द CSA. इन शॉर्ट फॉर्म वी विल से इट इज CSA और इट इज कॉल्ड द कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया. फॉरगेट नॉट एज दिस इज एरिया. ये एरिया होने का वजह से इसका यूनिट क्या होगा? स्क्वायर यूनिट्स में बोला गया, यानी कि सेंटीमीटर में है तो सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर, मीटर में है तो मीटर का स्क्वायर, किलोमीटर में है तो किलोमीटर का स्क्वायर, जो भी है उसका स्क्वायर यूनिट्स. ओके, दैट मच, दैट इज द यूनिट ऑफ दिस वन बिकॉज इट्स ऑफ एरिया इटसेल्फ. सो दिस इज ऑल टुगेदर ऑफ सरफेस एरिया. Clear? So surface area divided into three: LSA, TSA and CSA. Next one, volume. What is volume? It's the capacity of a figure, that is the space inside a solid. कोई भी एक चीज़ का अंदर कितना जगह है, how much space is there? If you are taking a glass, how much water you can put inside that one? That is a space, right? And this space, that is what we call the volume, and it is expressed in cubic units. Centimeter में है तो centimeter cube like that. So here are some of the solids which you know very perfectly. You are very familiar with this one: cube, cuboid and cylinder. So here you can see first one is cube. In this cube there are altogether 6 faces are there. The LSA of the cuboid, cube होने का वजह से उसका LSA बोल सकता है. तो LSA क्या होगा? 4a square है, बिकॉज हर एक साइड देखिए कितना साइड. LSA का मतलब क्या है? 4 साइड्स का एरिया, 4 साइड्स का एरिया. एक साइड का पहले देखिए, एक साइड का शेप क्या है? स्क्वायर का शेप है. तो स्क्वायर का एरिया क्या होता है? साइड इनटू साइड. हियर द ए इज डिनोटेड एज द साइड, मींस वन एज इज कॉल्ड ए. सो वी कैन से एक जगह का तो ए स्क्वायर हो जाएगा. एक साइड का ए स्क्वायर है तो 4 पूरा कुल मिला के लैटरल सर्फेसेस 4 है तो 4a स्क्वायर, 4a स्क्वायर. सो टोटल सर्फेस एरिया का मतलब कुल मिला के कितना फेसेस है? देयर आर 6 फेसेस, सो 6a स्क्वायर आएगा. उसका वॉल्यूम ए क्यूब होता है. ए का मतलब it's the edge of the cube. Okay, next one, cuboid. Cuboid means it's of the shape of, you can see the base is of the shape of a rectangle. So there are also 6 faces for a for a cuboid also. The LSA of cuboid is 2h into L plus B. Then the TSA is 2 into LB plus LH plus BH. The volume is length into breadth into height, that means LBH. Either L का मतलब length, B is breadth, H is height. Next one, cylinder. Cylinder is having only 2 faces, the top and bottom. Actually उसका cylindrical surface वो तो हम नहीं लेगा because it's not a lateral face, उसको एक face नहीं कर सकता है. That's why we are telling there are only 2 faces for a cylinder. The LSA is 2 pi RH, the TSA is 2 pi R into R plus H, and the volume is pi R square H. Here R is the radius, H is the height. Clear with that? Next one, we are going to a hollow cylinder and a cone. See that the hollow cylinder का अंदर का जो है it's open in the towards the inner part. It's a hollow cylinder. The LSA is given 2 pi r 2 pi h into capital R plus small r. इधर capital R क्या है, outer surface radius होता है, small r is the inner radius. Okay, so the TSA is given 2 pi h into r plus r into plus 2 pi into r square minus r square. Then the volume is pi h into r square minus r square. Then what about cone? For cone, you can see this is the shape of a cone, and the LSA is pi r L. L का मतलब it is a slant height. Slant height. We have studied in 9th class about slant height, right? सीधा height नहीं है, slant height होता है, इसको L कहता है. उसका TSA pi r L plus pi r square. नहीं तो pi बाहर निकाल सकता है, pi r बाहर निकाल के pi r into L plus r करके भी लिख सकता है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. Then उसका वॉल्यूम 1/3 pi r square h. Forget not, सिलेंडर का वॉल्यूम जितना होता है इसका 1/3 होता है कौन का वॉल्यूम. हमेशा याद रखना, सिलेंडर का 1/3 है कौन का. Okay, r is the radius, h is the height, and L is the slant height. This is all about a hollow cylinder and a cone. Next one, we are going to sphere, hemisphere, and spherical shell. For a sphere, you know the shape of a sphere. It's like this, like a ball. So the CSA of a sphere, either LSA नहीं कहता because it is a cylindrical surface. The CSA of a sphere is 4 pi r square, and the total surface area, it is also the 4 pi r square. दोनों बराबर है. इसको CSA, TSA दोनों में एक ही है, क्योंकि इसको there is nothing more to say. Only simply we will say in surface area, that is 4 pi r square itself. उसका वॉल्यूम 4/3 pi r cube है. इधर r जो है उसका रेडियस, यानी कि r पता है तो बाकी सभी निकाल सकता है इसका अंदर से. हेमीस्फीयर मीन्स हाफ ऑफ द स्फीयर. तो उसका LSA कितना था स्फीयर का, 4 pi r square, right? So इसका हाफ हेमीस्फीयर तो 2 pi r square. The TSA is 3 pi r square. Like that for spherical shell you can say 4 pi r square. Their capital R is of outer radius, small r is of inner radius. So the dimensions given there, from there copy it down. It's very important. These three things are so important. Next, going to the topic, combinations of solids. It's very important. In this 10th class we are studying about combination of solid. What is the meaning of combination of solids? Means right now I have told you about different types of solids. Differently I told, individually I told, but if you are combining two figures together, two unknown figures together, so the resultant figure is what we call the combination of solid. For example, a cone over a cylinder. Here there is a cylinder, here there is a cone. If you are placing this cone over a cylinder, it will be in this shape, and this is what we call the tent, right? So this is called the combination of solids. So now my question is, how we can find the surface area and volume of this combination of solids? इससे पहले मैंने बताया था सरफेस एरिया ऑफ सॉलिड्स कैसा, हर एक चीज़ को अलग अलग करके दिया है तो उसका अंदर से कैसा निकालना है करके बताया था, लेकिन इधर कॉम्बिनेशन का कैसा बताएगा. इफ ए सॉलिड इज माउल्डेड बाय 2 or 3 or more than that solids, that we need to divide it in separate solids to calculate the surface area and volume. That means इसका surface area निकालना है, नहीं तो उसका volume निकालना है, तो वो कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ सॉलिड यानी कि उसका रिजल्टेंट फिगर जो भी है वो कौन सा सॉलिड्स को कुल मिला के उसको बनाए हैं, वो सभी को अलग अलग करके पहले निकालना है और अलग अलग से उसका TSA, CSA वगैरह निकाल के उसको जोड़ देना चाहिए. दैट इज़ द वे हाउ टू फाइंड द कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ सॉलिड्स. हियर इन द टॉप फिगर यू कैन सी, उधर एक सिलेंडर दिया है, कौन दिया, दोनों को अलग अलग निकालिए. देन वी हैव टू ऐड देम. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज व्हेन वी आर कन्वर्टिंग ए सॉलिड फ्रॉम वन शेप टू अनदर. If you're converting one solid from one shape to another, very importantly, the particular word which we are going to use here is remolding. When we are remolding one thing to another thing, the main thing which you have to be noticed or which you have to understand is that when you are remolding one shape to another shape, the volume remains constant. I repeat, the volume of an object remains constant whenever it is changed from one shape to another shape. This is the key point inside this one. Okay. So going to the next topic, frustum of a cone. Actually in this year we are not having this, but this is a very important topic. Okay, in 2020 this topic is excluded from the CBSE syllabus, but also it's very important. That's why I'm just repeating this one. If you are cutting a piece, if you're cutting a particular piece from a cone, and the bottom area, the lower area is what we call the frustum of a cone, or simply we can say the bucket portion. You can see here the cone is being It's been cut into two pieces. You can see that there is a plane which is going parallel to the base, and when you are cutting that, remove the cone from the topper, and the remaining part is what we call the frustum of a cone. So here also there is CSA, TSA, volume, and everything. So for CSA, you have to find by using the equation pi L into capital R plus small r. L is the slant height, capital R is the bigger radius, small r is the smaller radius. Okay. Then TSA also there is equations for that one. You have to use that one. Then, so here the CSA is given pi L into R plus R. Then the TSA is given pi R square plus pi R square plus pi L into R plus R. Whenever I am saying R and R, there are difference. One is small r, one is capital R. Okay, the volume 1 by 3 pi h into capital R square plus small r square plus capital R into small r. And in some cases the slant height may not be given. So at that case you have to find a slant height. So using the equation L is equal to root of h square plus capital R square minus small r square. So like this you have to find the slant height. Then you have to put in the equations wherever you need. If you want to find the volume, you have to drop it there. If you want to find the TSA, there, or if you want to find the CSA, there itself. So this frustum, or that is also called the bucket. Okay, so this is the very important topic of the solids.